Today we are going to learn a new chapter from the textbook of Geography, Chapter 8. The name of the chapter is India, Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. India, Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the climate of India, the vegetation and wildlife of India. And you must know that what is weather and what is climate. Already you studied it in the lower classes. So what is weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a particular time is known as weather. So weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place at a particular time. So weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a particular time. Condition of the atmosphere. And it day to day changes. It varies day to day. So it includes change in temperature, rainfall and sunshine, etc. For example, such it may be hot or cold or sunny or cloudy and windy or calm. But what is meant by climate? It is the average weather condition over a long period of time is known as climate. It is the average weather condition over a long period of time is known as climate. So weather is in short period, climate is in long period. So weather is the condition of atmosphere of a place at a particular time. Climate is the average weather condition over a long period of time. Then broadly the major seasons recognized in India. Now we are going to study about the seasons of India. Seasons of India. Broadly there are, how many seasons are there? 4 seasons are there in India. So the major seasons recognized in India are winter season, summer season, rainy season and autumn season. Winter season, summer season, rainy season and autumn season. So the winter season is also known as cold weather season. Cold weather season. And it starts from the December to February. Start from December and end in February. December to February. So December to February, that season is known as winter season. And what is the another name of the winter season? Cold weather season. And next one is the summer season. Summer season, March to May. March to May. And the another name of summer season is hot weather season. Hot weather season. The next one is rainy season. Rainy season, June to September. June to September. And another name is southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon. Monsoon is the rainy season. Southwest monsoon. June to September. And the last one is autumn season. That is seasons of retreating monsoon. Seasons of retreating monsoon. And it is October and November. From October to November. So these are the important seasons in India. So which are they? Winter, summer, rainy and autumn. Winter season December to February. Summer March to May. Rainy June to September. And autumn October to November. So these are the important seasons. And we need to study one by one in detail. So first one is winter season. And it is also known as cold weather season. Cold weather season. So during the winter season, the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. So during the winter season, the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. So as a result, the temperature are quite low in northern India. So as a result of this, the temperatures are quite low in northern India. So this season is known as winter season. It is also known as cold weather season. Cold weather season. So in this season, the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. That's why the temperatures are quite low in the northern India. So this is known as winter season. So next one is summer season. What is the another name of summer season? Hot weather season. Hot weather season. So in the hot weather season, sun rays more or less directly fall in this region. The sun rays more or less directly fall into the region. That's why the temperature becomes very high. That's why the temperature become very high. That's why this season is known as summer season. Hot and dry winds called Lu blow during the day. So what is the name of hot and dry wind? Lu. The hot and dry winds called Lu blow during the daytime. In which season? In the summer season. So next is rainy season. Next is rainy season. So southwest monsoon season. It is also known as southwest monsoon season. So this season is marked by the onset and advance of monsoon. So this season is marked by the onset, beginning and advance of monsoon. So the winds blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. So the wind blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. That's why they carry moisture with them. Moisture means the amount of water vapor present in the air is known as moisture. The amount of water vapor present in the air is known as moisture. Wetness. Wetness is known as moisture. So they carry moisture with them, with the wind, and these winds strike the mountain barriers, rainfall occurs. So this season is marked by the onset and advance of monsoon. So rainy season marked by the onset, beginning and advance of monsoon, and the wind blow from Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land. The wind blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land, and these wind bring or carry moisture, and these winds strike the mountain barriers and rainfall occurs. That's why this season is known as rainy season. Rainy season is also known as southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon. Then next is autumn season. So season of retreating monsoon. Retreating means move back or withdraw. Move back or withdraw. So winds move back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. Winds move back to the Bay of Bengal, and this season is retreating monsoon. Retreating or withdrawing monsoon. Withdrawing rainfall. At the southern part of India, partially Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh receive rainfall in this region. And the climate is about the average weather condition which have been measured over many years. The climate of India has broadly been described as monsoon type. So how is the climate of the India? It is in monsoon type. The climate of India broadly described as monsoon type. Monsoon type. So monsoon is taken from the Arabic word mausim. Mausim means season. What is the meaning of mausim? Mausim means season, and it is an Arabic word. Arabic word. So most of the rain is brought by monsoon winds. So in India, most of the rain bring by which monsoon? Which one? Monsoon winds. So in India, most of the rain is brought by monsoon winds. So agriculture in India is depending on rains. Already we know that agriculture in India depend on rains. So good monsoons mean adequate rain and a bountiful crop. Bountiful means abundant, large in quantity. So if good monsoon is there means we will get a adequate rain, then our agriculture or our crops and all, it is in a good quantity. Okay, agriculture in India is depend on rains, and a good monsoon mean adequate rain and a abundant crop, a large quantity crop. So next we are going to learn which are the factors determining the climate of a place. Which are the factors determining the climate of a place? Already you studied it. Which are they? Location, altitude, distance from the sea, and relief. So which are the factors determining the climate of a place? Location of a place. Location, altitude, height from the sea level. Then distance from the sea. Distance from the sea. Altitude means the height from the sea level. Height from the sea level. Then here another one, distance from the sea. Then relief. Relief means the terrain of the earth. Terrain of the earth. Therefore, we experience regional differences in the climate of India. Because of these factors, we experience regional differences in the climate in India. The climate of India. So, Jaisalmer and Bikaner in the desert of Rajasthan are very hot. The deserts of Rajasthan, they experience very hot. Which are the places? Jaisalmer and Bikaner. And these are the desert place. And here too much hot. Here experience too much hot, very hot. While Dras and Kargil in Jammu and Kashmir are freezing cold. So in Dras and Kargil, they experience too much cold. So coastal places like Mumbai and Kolkata experience moderate climate. And Kolkata and Mumbai, they experience moderate climate. Moderate climate means they are neither too hot nor too cold. They are neither too hot, neither too cold. There is not too much cold and there is not too much cold also. There is not too much hot and there is not too much cold. Medium climate, moderate climate. And being on the coast, these places are very humid. These places are very near to the coast, the coastal region. That's why these places are very humid. So Mawsynram in Meghalaya receives the world's highest rainfall. So which place receives the world's highest rainfall? Mawsynram, which is in which state? Meghalaya. So Mawsynram in Meghalaya receives the world's highest rainfall. And while in a particular year it might not rain at all in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. So some places in India receives more rain and their experience cold, but some places in India experience very hot like deserts. Why? Because of the regional differences. Because of the regional differences. That's why we can say that there are some factors are there that determine the climate of a place. Which are the factors? Location, altitude, distance from the sea and relief.